We're going back to a little bit of a sad point, but at least we know there's hope. The police are planning to use DNA tests to find the killer of 8-year-old. That beautiful little 8-year-old girl that was killed. Investigators have revealed that they are conducting DNA tests as they try to find the killer of 8-year-old Shantae Skylar. Her body was found last week in Sterling Castle Heights, St. Andrew. The head of the Area 5 Police Headquarters, Assistant Commissioner Gary Griffiths, said samples were collected on Tuesday when a post-mortem was conducted on Shantae's body. And so far, 3 individuals remain in custody in relation to her death. The MP for the area, Juliet Cuthbert Flynn, said that she's hoping that there will be a breakthrough soon. Griffiths also said that DNA evidence will be used to help solve the mob killing of 27-year-old Miguel Williams, who was beaten and burned to death last week, Wednesday, after being accused of involvement in Shantae's murder. We spoke about it.
Yeah, we did, and that's a mouthful.
Yeah, it is, but at least we know that there's a little bit of hope now. Like forensics is getting to the point where we can be doing a lot more with it.
And I'm happy about that, but I don't think you need forensics for the people who mobbed and killed the guy.
No, I don't think you need forensics for that part, but for the first part, I'm glad that it will help. We're not going to stay too long on that because I think we've literally belabored it.
Yeah. So, Black Rhino hospitalized. So I got a message on Facebook yesterday. Somebody said, Black Rhino dead? I'm like, what? Took up my phone. On social media, that's all I saw. So he had a motorcycle crash in New York and he is in serious condition, but stable, in a New York hospital after suffering injuries in a motorcycle accident. So social media, as I said, rumors started spreading. So the man dead, say, can't collab with cartel again and one bag or something. There were rumors have been quelled by the management team. Reports are that he suffered head injuries and internal bleeding. So he migrated to America a few years ago. Was about to make his big comeback, as I said, collab with Vibes Cartel and thing. Was on the making, but I wish you a speedy recovery. It's hard.
It's so unpredictable. Please, bikes.
Maybe you want a bike
beautiful.
one time.
I still love them, but why?
Except the yang then.
Yeah. All right. Here we go. The union has served a 72-hour strike notice on JPS. The Union of Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees, UCAS, says that it has served a 72-hour strike notice on JPS following a breakdown in wage and fringe benefits negotiations. UCAS said that the notice took effect as of 4:30 p.m. yesterday, that's the 26th of April, and it will expire on 4:30 p.m. on Monday. I don't know how much that becomes a problem, but we'll talk about that. The UK strike notice follows a statement by JPS refuting claims made by the union that there has been a breakdown in negotiations. The JPS said that its last meeting with the union was on the 10th of April and there were a number of proposals made. Subsequent to that, JPS said that the leadership of UCAS agreed to a scheduled meeting for next Thursday, the 2nd of May, to continue the dialogue. So my question to you, Extel, how much of a difference is it going to make if they go on strike Friday evening when work done and come off a strike Monday when work start back?
Mr. Strike,
Mr.
Strike because of carnival, man.
They walk out carnival. So them strike.
So them strike, so take everything off of their mind so them can go carnival and then carry on.
Don't make light of the people them struggles. Sorry. It's funny though because wasn't last week Wednesday World Administrative Day?
Yeah, World Administrative Professional Day.
Right, and then now all of a sudden the administrative professionals from one of our biggest companies are going on strike.
They don't feel appreciated.
Come on, treat your folks better, man. Cost of living a go up, them need more money. Stop it, it's not carnival. That's the end of our trending topics this morning. Let us know what you think on all our social media pages. Of course, we've got Instagram, Facebook, and
Snapchat. Actually don't.
Yo, Snapchat! Dwayne has abandoned me with the Snapchat. Dwayne has Snapchat. We'll be right back, guys.